Hello, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround, your go-to channel for all things nutrition, health, and wellness. I am your host, Jim, and today we have an exciting topic lined up: 10 superfoods for optimal health. If you're looking to boost your well-being and vitality, you are in the right place. I am sure you'll be surprised by superfood number 10. But before we dive into these amazing superfoods, please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons so that you'll never miss an update. Let's kick things off by understanding what makes these foods super. Superfoods are nutrient-dense powerhouses that provide a wide range of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all which contribute to better health. Please be sure to include these gems on your diet on a regular basis. Superfood number 1 is avocado. This creamy green marvel is a true superfood. Packed with heart-healthy monosaturated fats, it's a nutrition powerhouse. Avocado is rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and it contains fiber for digestive health. This superfood is loaded with vitamins like K, C, and E, promoting radiant health and overall well-being. Its versatility shines in salads, sandwiches, and even a substitute for unhealthy fats in recipes. Please embrace this green gem to nourish your body and taste buds. Superfood number 2 is leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, along with cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, are superheroes of the veggie world. They're low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These greens provide a boost of calcium for bone health and are loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Plus, they're cancer-fighting compounds. Incorporate them in your meals for a nutrient-packed punch. Superfood number 3, pasture-raised eggs. Pasture-raised eggs are a true nutritional treasure. They're rich in high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and vitamins like B12 and choline, which are crucial for brain function. These eggs have more omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health, than their conventional counterparts. Plus, they come from happy, healthy hens that roam freely on green pastures. Add these eggs to your diet for a delicious and nutritious start to your day. Superfood number 4 is berries. Berries are nature's candy with a healthy twist. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, they combat free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic disease. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in vitamin C and fiber, supporting a robust immune system and digestive health. Their natural sweetness satisfies your cravings without sugar. Whether sprinkled on yogurt, blended into smoothies, or just enjoyed fresh, these vibrant gems are very good for your health. Superfood number 5, Pacific wild-caught salmon and other oily fish. Dive into a sea of health benefits with wild-caught salmon and oily fish. They're abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, which is essential for heart and brain health. These nutrients reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic disease. Eating Pacific salmon and other oily fish like mackerel and sardines can boost your mood and sharpen your mind. Plus, they're a protein-packed delight. So reel in the goodness and savor the flavors of the deep blue. Superfood number 6, healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, grass-fed butter, and coconut oil. Embrace the goodness of healthy fats. Extra virgin olive oil, grass-fed butter, and coconut oil are your culinary allies. They provide a dose of monounsaturated fats and medium-chain triglycerides, promoting heart health and weight management. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, while grass-fed butter offers vitamin K2 for strong bones. Coconut oil has an antibacterial property and can boost your metabolism. Use them wisely to enhance the flavor and nourish your body. Superfood number 8, grass-fed, grass-finished beef and organ meats like liver. Grass-fed, grass-finished beef is a nutritional powerhouse. It's higher in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidant than conventional raised beef. It's rich in protein, iron, and zinc, and supports muscle growth and immune function. Organ meats like liver are nature's multivitamin, providing essential nutrients like vitamin A, B vitamins, and copper. Embrace these nutrient-dense options to fuel your body with goodness of pasture-raised animals. Superfood number 9 is cod liver or cod liver oil. Cod liver and cod liver oil are your vitamin D superheroes. They're brimming with vitamin D3, essential for strong bones and a robust immune system and overall well-being. This superfood supports calcium absorption and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. These are two of the very few natural food sources of vitamin D3. Speaking of vitamin D3, superfood number 10 is vitamin D3. Often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, it plays a crucial role in your health. It's not your typical superfood that you find on a plate, but it is just as essential. Vitamin D3 supports strong bones by enhancing calcium absorption and reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. This vital nutrient acts as a potent immune system buster, helping your body fend off infection and disease. Exposure to sunlight is a natural way to synthesize vitamin D3, but supplements are available to those who have limited sun exposure. Keep your immune system robust and your bones resilient with this sunshine vitamin. All right, as we round the corner and wrap up covering the topic of 10 nutrient-dense foods that you need to have in your diet on a regular basis, let's talk about how you can incorporate some of these foods in your daily diet. First of all, you can start your day with a berry-packed smoothie or add some avocado to your lunch salad for a creamy nutrient twist. Hard-boiled eggs are always easy as a travel meal for work. Vitamin D3 is so important that I recommend supplementing it, and remember that it works best when you combine it with fat, zinc, and magnesium at the same time. You can get a great dose of vitamin D from your cod liver or cod liver oil. And remember to spoil yourself with the seafood choices either at home or at a nice seafood raw bar. Lastly, if you struggle with the flavor of liver or organ meats, please go online on YouTube and look up some recipes, because I think you will be very pleasantly surprised. And please remember, everyone, you should be seeking out these nutrient-dense foods regularly and incorporating them into your diet. But you must avoid nutrient-poor or sugary-filled foods that can reverse the positive effects of these great food choices we've talked about today. Also, to maximize your health and well-being, please limit your consumption of alcohol, as it can be bad for your health if overused. Well, there you have it, our top 10 superfoods for optimal health. Remember, a balanced diet that includes these superfoods can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. I want to thank all of you for joining us today, and if you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content on nutrition, health, and wellness. Stay super, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.